All right, so let's go to the review section. We will start with the review dashboard. Review dashboard is actually showing to you all the statistics for all the products you have. Let me show you, like, let's say this product. Let's say once we click on it, we can see the stats, the rating, the amount of reviews. We also see how many reviews stays on a page one. Yeah, you see like negative on the page one. So that's important, because this way you would be able to monitor or maybe clean somehow your. I'm not gonna give you like any advices in terms of improvement of your main page, because some of the strategies will be non-TOS compliant, but maybe learn the strategies somewhere else. But I suggest you to learn how to take reviews on your products under control. I will give you today also a couple more tools that will help you to delete negative reviews and get more positive reviews. And these tools that I'm going to share with you, they 100% TOS compliant, and that's exactly what we do inside Sellerise. All the tools kind of approved by Amazon, because we all the time speak with their team, and they help us to optimize to make sure everything is correct. Okay, here we have several also options and tabs to see the common phrases. Once you're gonna land on a real account, you can see like a 1, 2, 3, or 4 words. You can see what combinations of words people use when they describe your product, and when they leave in, let's say, 5-star reviews or negative reviews. So you can see, let's say, someone saying like, this is not a real account, this is demo account. But in real life, you're gonna see that, let's say, this looks so much better, can lead to leaving your negative, let's say, like 1-star reviews or 2-star reviews. And by looking at these keywords, you can see the combinations, and then like, hey, why people are always complaining about the size of the product? Maybe it's something we're missing inside our bullet points, title, or description, and people get confused when they buy in the product. Maybe they expect a pink color, while our designer made it more like a red color-ish. And all these questions and all this information will help you just to improve your product overall.
Yes.
You also have a goal calculator, which means, let's say you at rating 4.5, but you want to have 4.7. We'll show you exactly how many reviews you need to get or remove. So this will help you to kind of set up additional goals.
I started using Sellerise from this. This was the tool I have heard, I think, from you, maybe in some video or something. And somehow this is, so cool, nice.
Yeah. Also, you can see like review gains, how they've been added to your listing throughout the year or last 30 days. So this will help you to see it. In addition, here you can see like common phrases. It's kind of just a tool I just added, like what people use as a description of your product. If you have, guys, but overall, if you ever have any ideas, how would you like to improve your review dashboard or any type of dashboard you have on site Sellerise, always reach out to us. You see on the right hand side, we have a chat here. Our guys, they try to stay in the live chat all the time, but let's say if they're busy, just leave the request, and we always will get back to you as soon as possible to make sure we'll answer all your questions. And if you have any help, we're also going to help you. But you need to also understand that our support chat inside Sellerise, we added the support chat to make sure you understand how to use the tools, what the buttons to click, or if you have any technical issues, or maybe if you don't understand any numbers. But our support is not intent to educate you how to sell on Amazon. And sometimes it becoming a problem, because sometimes people come to us and they say, hey, how I can get more reviews on or how I can get more sales. This is something that our chat team cannot support you, because we have a lot of developers, or we also have some people with the Amazon selling experience, but they cannot take responsibility for the consulting that you're asking them for you ask from them. So they always will tell you like, unfortunately, we cannot consult you on a specific ways of growing your Amazon business. But you just need to understand this, okay?
For this, there is a YouTube channel of Sellerise. I guess there we can leave it in the description as well, along with a free account and the discount. Educate themselves there, the people that are watching.
Yeah, no, we do weekly calls about different tips and tricks how to grow your Amazon business. But overall, my personal opinion, guys, sometimes it's good to get maybe some complete course. But a lot of times what I did, I was just learning myself. I was just digging inside all the numbers and going inside Seller Central and looking at every metric as possible. That's how I educate myself. And also a practical experience, just test it. Sometimes people saying to me like, hey, what type of campaign should I activate? Activate both. Try it, see it how it goes, like, and then scale it. So everything will go through test, failure, and success. And then once you see you have a track record of success and at some things, you would be able to scale it to the bigger numbers. But don't try to scale unless you have a proof of concept, okay? Sometimes it could be very costly for you. All right, the next tool we have here, it's called Review Requester. It's one of the most common tools on the market right now. I think we was one of the first company who enabled this feature to use for Amazon sellers. We have a free Chrome extension for that, which is like more for the beginners. We have about 10,000 users every day using a Review Requester Chrome extension. We also have this Review Requester here inside Sellerise, which is in a paid desktop version, and it's like highly advanced. And if you like serious about making money on Amazon, this is something that you have to activate in your seller account, in your Amazon account. What makes this Review Requester different from any other requesters? So let me explain you. Majority of the requesters, they work as a browser manipulation, which means, let's say you have a Chrome extension, and Chrome extension goes and click on the buttons inside your seller account, and it kind of replicate your manual work. While Review Requester that we have here, it's fully approved system by Amazon, and it's working through the user permission, which completely changed the way how Amazon looked when system requests the reviews. We have one of the biggest amount of filters how you can set up. You can send a review requests only to people who left you seller feedbacks 4 and like 5 stars and higher. You can prevent people who, let's say someone left you a 1-star seller feedback. It means person didn't like your product. And imagine you're going to request a review from this person. So most likely he's going to leave you a negative review. So you want to remove these people from the request list, correct? Also, you would like to use repeat buyers. Let's say some people, they don't want to risk it. They only requesting reviews from repeat buyers. Repeat buyers, it's 100% guaranteed they're going to leave you positive reviews because they like your product. People with the refunds, if someone left you refund, if someone requests the refund, probably they don't like your product. And also, we have here a custom request time, which means we have 2 main options that I like. It's called AI time and buy time. So AI time, it means our system analyzing when you're receiving the most amount of reviews per day. And based on that, we're making a review requests on this time.
Interesting, man.
And buy time, it's based on a customer behavior. Let's say if your customer bought this product at 5 p.m. 2 weeks ago, we're kind of assuming that at 5 p.m., let's say 5 days later, 2 weeks later, he's going to be more active online, which is, like you can test. My favorite is a buy time, but some people, they use the AI time. Everything else is simple: morning, afternoon, evening, ASAP. As fast as option of review request is available, you send in the request. So I would just play with these 2 filters, but overall, if you would like to use one of those, it's also available for you. Also, the daily limit. Let's say if you just sign up for Sellerise and you don't want too many requests to go out, you can do the daily limit. Or let's say you want to request start from some specific date, let's say from like yesterday. You also need to understand one simple fact. If someone already requests the review from some other tool, maybe you used to use a Chrome extension, or maybe you was using some other companies, you will be able to see who exactly requested the review. Let's say you see like sent by Sellerise. But if it's someone else sent, we'll also analyze. We're not going to send this twice, or we're not going to click this again. We're going to see this someone already requested the review, and we're going to skip this order. That's how the Sellerise is set up. It's very advanced review requester system. Also, let's say if you're doing giveaways or whatever you do, or maybe you have like a list of your buyers who bought your products, and let's say the products was buying with a discount. Maybe you don't want to request reviews from those guys. You can upload the list. You see, like you can import orders right here with the template. Let's say you can upload like 100 orders, and these people will be excluded from requesting review from them. This system is highly advanced. We was working this for so long. You also can do like custom configurations for other products. You can disable. For example, there's another practical way of using disable option. I don't know. Let's say you order products. You've been working with some factory for so long, and now you order from them another batch, but batch become, I don't know, bad. Like smell is not good. Let's say they use plastic that smells bad, or like it happened to me. I used to sell powder, and they supplied to me powder. By the certificate of analysis, everything looks good. Everything is fantastic. But you have a little of smell, like it happened to me about like 5 years ago. And we start to get a lot of turns. Of course, you don't want to request reviews from this clients. You want to disable product until your batch is sold out or you fix the issue. That's very important for you. So sometimes success in your business is just acting fast, is spotting the problem. And that's why smart alerts that you've seen before on my previous explanation is so important for you to enable and monitor entire your business. We have another tool here. It's called Review Downloader. Review Downloader is a simple tool. It works like a Chrome extension. You can go to any page on Amazon, and when you click download the reviews, it's gonna download all the reviews from your Amazon listing. The reason why it's important right now, Walmart is allowed you to add reviews to any Walmart listings. So you go to Amazon listings, you download all the reviews, you use keyword processor here, you upload all the reviews there, and you remove all the words like Amazon, Prime, delivery. Then you take all this list and you upload this to your Shopify store. So then from Shopify store, you can go to Amazon, to the Walmart, and tell them, hey guys, this is the list of, this is my product, and I have, let's say, 1,000 reviews. Could you please connect these reviews to my Walmart listing? And now you have 1,000 reviews on your Walmart listings kind of overnight. Wow. It's a cool hack. It still works. Try it. It works really fantastic. So you don't need to like do giveaways to get reviews. It's like you can connect and it's gonna work for you. The Walmart can be tough on that, but overall they're gonna do it. We just add in like 1,000, 2,000 reviews on our products on Walmart. So just a quick practical advice for you. So Review Puncher, let's move on. Review Puncher, it's another tool that we have here. Review Puncher, it's something that works as a, if review request will help you to get more positive reviews, then Review Puncher helps you to delete negative reviews. I have a case study. I didn't post this on social media yet, how Review Puncher actually helping to fight with the negative reviews. But overall, what it does, Review Puncher will send requests to your buyers who give you 1, 2, or 3-star reviews. They're gonna provide them either a courtesy refund or they're gonna provide them a replacement. And I know for a fact, I have a review on Amazon. I'm gonna share this on social media later, where a person been contacted by Review Puncher asking to get a refund or replacement, and the person been so happy that we reach out to him and start to communicate with us and remove the negative review. They changed it 1-star review to the 5-star review, which was like absolutely fantastic because it's fully automated. A lot of tools that you have inside Sellerise, the intention of these tools, it's to make your job easier inside Amazon. So because as an Amazon seller, you will have a lot of distractions. You need to take care of the reviews, rankings, product optimization, conversion optimization, inventory shipments, and so on, so on. Tools like that, they help you to put things on automation. And the good part about the Review Puncher, it's also fully Amazon TOS compliant tool. They actually released this to help you to fight with the negative reviews, and so to make sure you follow the TOS by Amazon. So yeah, basically that's it. That's about the Review Puncher. Once you register to Sellerise, make sure you activate all of these tools like Smart Alerts, Review Requester. There's plenty of other tools that you would be able to work with. So Review Puncher will help you also to work with these negative reviews.
Nice, man.